Hi everyone, my name is Kishen, son of SEGARAN. My metric number is D122410009. I'm from FPKEKDER section 2. My final year project title is IoT-based smart energy monitoring system for small scale workshops. Now let's take a look on my slides.
Many small-scale workshops consume electrical energy without proper monitoring. Users often do not know how much power their equipment is consuming in real time. This may lead to energy wastage, increased electricity bill, and possible overload conditions. Therefore, a low-cost IoT-based monitoring system is proposed to help users monitor and manage energy consumption efficiently. The project has four main objectives. First, to design and develop an IoT-based energy monitoring system. Second, to measure voltage, current, power, and energy consumption in real time. Third, to enable remote monitoring using the Blink platform. Lastly, to improve energy efficiency by providing continuous monitoring and alerts. The system begins by initializing all components, including the ESP32, LCD, PSM sensor, and Blink platform. The sensor continuously measures voltage, current, power, and energy consumption. The readings are displayed on the LCD and transmitted to Blink. If the measured power exceeds the predefined threshold, an alert is triggered through the LED, buzzer, and smartphone notification. The process then continues for continuous monitoring. Now, the main hardware components used in this project include the ESP32 microcontroller, which serves as the system controller, and the PSM0040 sensor for energy measurement. An I2C LCD is used for local display, while LED and buzzer modules provide overload alerts. Communication between the system and the Blink platform is achieved through Wi-Fi. All components are integrated on a custom designed PCB. Now we enter the results part obtained from the developed IoT-based smart energy monitoring system. On the left side, the image shows the fabricated PCB board. The PCB was designed to integrate the ESP32 microcontroller, LCD display, buzzer, LED indicator, and other supporting components into a compact and organized circuit. The complete PCB demonstrates that the hardware design was successfully implemented and assembled. On the right side, the LCD display image shows the different operating conditions of the system. First, the image displays the startup screen indicating that the system has been successfully powered on and initialized. The second image shows the no current condition where no load is connected and the measured current is 0 amperes. The third image displays the normal operating status, indicating that the connected load is operating within the predefined power limit. The fourth image shows the overload status when the measured power exceeds the preset threshold. The system detects the overload condition and activates the warning mechanism. The fifth image presents the real-time voltage and current measurements obtained from the PSM0040 energy sensor. In this example, the system measures approximately 246.4 volt and 0.06 amperes. The final image displays the calculate power and accumulate energy consumption values. These readings allow users to continuously monitor electricity usage and identify excessive energy consumptions. This slide shows the remote monitoring results using the Blink IoT platform. The dashboard displays real-time voltage, current, power, and energy readings. When power exceeds the preset 5 watt threshold, the system changes to overload status and automatically sends a warning notification to the user's smartphone. These results confirm that the ESP32 successfully communicates with Blink through Wi-Fi and that the remote monitoring and alert functions work correctly. After discussing the results obtained from the LCD display and Blink application, I will now demonstrate the actual operation of the developed hardware system. This video shows how the smart energy monitoring system functions in real time. The demonstration includes system startup, measurement of electrical parameters, display of data on the LCD screen, overload detection, and the activation of the LED, buzzer, and blink notification features. Through this demonstration, the overall functionality and performance of the developed system can be clearly observed. And lastly, this is the final prototype of the IoT-based smart energy monitoring system. All hardware components including the ESP32, PSM0040 sensor, LCD display, LED indicator, buzzer and power connections have been integrated into a compact enclosure for better protection and usability. The box design provides a neat and organized structure, making the system suitable for practical use in small-scale workshops. The prototype is capable of monitoring electrical parameters in real time, displaying the readings locally on the LCD, and sending data remotely to the Blink application. Next, the novelty of this project lies is in the integration of real-time monitoring, overload detection, smartphone notifications, and a compact PCB design in a single low-cost solution. The system has strong commercial potential for small and medium enterprises, as it can help reduce energy wastage, improve safety, and lower operational costs. In conclusion, the IoT-based smart energy monitoring system was successfully developed and achieved all project objectives. The system is capable of monitoring voltage, current, power, and energy consumption in real time, displaying the data locally on the LCD screen and remotely through the Blink application. In addition, the overload detection feature successfully activates the LED buzzer and smartphone notification to improve electrical safety and energy management. This project also supports Sustainable Development Goal 7, affordable and clean energy by promoting efficient energy usage and reducing energy wastage. Furthermore, it contributes to SDG 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure through the implementation of IoT technology for smart and innovative energy monitoring solutions.
That's all from me, guys. Thank you.